Hi there, listen up. Over the past 8 years, I've tested all kinds of strategies and through trial and error found approaches that are way simpler and more effective than what some traders offering. And today, I'm going to prove it to you. My name is Agatha, and I've been a trader for 8 years. I studied under top professionals from well-known financial companies, then worked alongside them, wrote analysis for industry media, and now I teach others what I've learned myself. What comes to your mind when you hear the word trading? A bunch of charts, complicated books, and an MBA from business school. That's exactly what I thought too when I first heard about trading 8 years ago. But something inside me clicked, and I decided I no longer wanted to work in delivery. That's how I got to where I am today. And no, I'm not here to offer you any of those things. Instead, I'll walk you through one live trading session and show you how I work in real time. And at the end of this video, I'll share an opportunity you won't want to miss. So stay tuned and let's get started. But before we jump in, one more thing. Watching a single trading session is great, but what happens next? You just turn this video off and go back to your daily routine? There is another way. Right now, I'm building a community for beginner traders and those who are just thinking about it. It's a private club where I host live sessions every day. During those sessions, I explain why I make each decision, break down market principles, and share my personal approach. If you don't want to figure everything out alone, here is my invitation to join a space where you can grow together with others. The community is already live, and members are actively applying my methods in real time. But the number of spots is limited because I respond to each member personally. So hit pause and click the link in the pinned comment to join the club. So let's dive in. Okay, let's begin. The platform is already open and I'm ready to trade. I'm starting the session with a small deposit, and the first thing I do is select an indicator. No session goes without one. Today, I'm using the Super Trend indicator. It helps identify the current market trend and shows when to enter a trade in the direction of the trend. It signals whether the trend is upward or downward, making it faster to analyze potential entry points. So now I'll select the pairs, and this one will do. Everything set, the strategy is ready, and let's not waste time, let's get started. We are starting with the first pair. I see a downtrend in place and a correction beginning. At the bottom, there is a bullish engulfing pattern followed by a hammer candle. There are signs of a possible trend reversal, so I decide to go up. The pattern suggested a possible price move, and we are seeing the expected reaction. Let's move on. Let's look at the next pair. The price drops to a strong support level and a volume cluster, which often becomes a turning point. The bulls might start pushing the price up. The level is confirmed, so I'm going up. The price reacted to the support level, so making timely decisions is important, and we are seeing a solid result. Okay, switching to the next pair. I see a clear uptrend with the correction. The indicator confirms the upward trend, and as the correction ends, I decide to buy. Everything points to continued growth. The indicator signal suggested the possible price direction. We are already seeing some growth, so let's keep going. The price is making an upward correction, and in this zone, I'm expecting a bounce. Once the price hits the lower boundary, I go up again, expecting the trend to continue. Great, we are seeing positive results. Let's keep moving in the same direction. We're already halfway through the session, and you've seen the first results. If you are watching this, chances you've thought about becoming a trader. But how do you find your way through all the noise and random experts? Who can you really trust? My main principle: less theory, more hands-on practice. During my sessions, I show real trades, real decisions, and you see what they lead to. I wish I had someone showing me all this when I just was starting out. That's why I created my trading club, so members can follow along with me live every single day. We break down the market in real time, and I explain things in plain language. So I'm inviting you to join the club, but there is one condition. Spots are limited, so pause this video and click the link in the pinned comment. Arm yourself with the knowledge and go for it. Let's keep going. Back to this pair. I noticed a trend reversal to an uptrend. After a correction, a green candle appeared, confirming the continuation of the trend. So I go up. The trend reversed and we entered the trade. Let's keep watching. Switching to the next pair, the price broke the level and the indicator confirms a downtrend, so I go down. The signs pointed to a possible drop, and we're seeing that result now. Let's continue. The trend was bullish, but after breaking a level, the price bounced back. It couldn't hold. The bears started to dominate, and the trend may change, so I'm expecting a move downward, so I go down. Great result! We are seeing strong progress. Let's keep going. Let's see, okay. The price is moving in a familiar pattern. Impulse up, correction down. It's nearing a level, and I'm expecting a bounce downward. A great correction trade, and the price reacted just as expected. Let's move on to the next pair. There was a strong correction, but the price consolidated at a level and broke through it. These are good conditions for a bounce, so I am considering opening an upward position. The bounce trade delivered a positive result, and we are seeing continued movement. Okay, let's move on. Looking at the chart, the trend is getting stronger with no pullbacks, and the price is breaking through levels quickly. That's a signal the uptrend may continue. We're seeing a result that matches our strategy. Time to wrap up today's session. And just like that, the session is over. So what's next? Most of our days are just regular, routine days, but any one of them can turn out to be the day. Think back to a time when you made a crucial step. You woke up, had breakfast, went to a school or work, and somewhere along the way you made one small choice that led to big change. Who knows, maybe today is another one of those days? In my community, I chat with members daily. They tell me, Agatha, I still remember the day I joined your club. And I think, what if I hadn't? Joining might not turn things around instantly, but it could be the first step toward real opportunities. The same ones others in the club are already taking advantage of. They see how I work with the market live, they learn from it, and they get to ask me questions. The number of spots is limited, and I want to keep the ground personal and focused, so once the limit is reached, the doors will close. So click the link in the pinned comment and join us. See you inside. So bye for now.